Good evening, traders. Welcome back to the channel. You are watching Your Nifty Guy. I hope all of you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to break down today's Nifty price action in a very practical way. What actually worked, what didn't, and where the real opportunity is likely to build for tomorrow's session. We'll look at the important levels, the market structure, and the behavior around key zones so that instead of guessing, you walk into tomorrow's market with a clear and executable trade plan for Nifty options. If you are serious about improving your consistency and avoiding emotional trades, this video will help you stay on the right side of the move. Before we start, make sure you hit the like button if you find these daily trade plans useful. Subscribe to the channel for regular Nifty updates and share this video with a trader friend who needs a disciplined approach to the market. Also, the link to the Telegram channel is in the pinned comment. Make sure you are subscribed there as well. I will be posting my views and news related to the stock market over there. And also in the live market scenario, if I see something which is very high probable, I will be sharing the setups there as well. So make sure you are subscribed. And now let's jump into the straight to the charts. Again, today was a no trading day, absolute sideways price action on the daily time frame. We have a inside bar. I will keep today's video extremely short and I believe it is very close to around a year of me posting these daily Nifty updates along with certain key learning videos. And this proves something about me. I'm good at consistency, and I believe that is my edge in the market about doing the same things repeatedly throughout. So I started around the start of February last year when I posted the first video. I randomly recorded it and I posted it, and so far I have gathered around 260 plus subscribers, and I am thankful to each one of them from the bottom of my heart. Uh, Although the audience of my content is limited, but then I believe those who find value in this will be long-term subscribers to the channel and will be keeping on watching the videos daily. And the content which I post is very different from what others post. Obviously, I know. I'm not giving you the exact thing or the food to eat today, but I'm teaching you how to fish so that you can actually build these habits over a period of time and be a self-reliant trader because that is what actually works in the market. Uh, if you keep following somebody and take trades based on what tips or whatever uh, setups that they are giving you in the long term, it will not be working out. In the long term, if you are serious about trading, all you need to do is find your edge and get your setup, plan your trades, have a system-based trading, and then stick to those rules consistently over the period of time, right? And that is why I believe that consistency is my edge. And the kind of discipline that you show in the rest of the fields in your life is what ultimately reflects in your trading. So it is not that you just need to be taking consistent trades to be a good trader. You need a overall well-disciplined, consistent lifestyle, be it related to your fitness, hitting the gym regularly at least 5 to 6 times a week. Uh, Sticking to whatever your life goals are. Like decided to start this YouTube channel around Feb last year, and it has been good consistent. I believe I missed out only handful of days where I did not post the videos. Rest every time I had posted those videos. So yeah, uh, congratulations to me, and I'm happy about the fact that okay, I have completed successfully again, proving in yet another field that consistency beats anything in the stock market. So yeah, on that note, so like I discussed, today's video will be very short. There's nothing much to discuss. Like I had mentioned, this is something, the events that have happened in Nifty is very rare. Uh, on the budget day, we saw a good fall in the market, one of the big range red candles, then a sideways day, and then based on the India-US trade news which came in, we opened with a massive 1200 points gap up, and then post this profit booking, we have been sideways, and that is what I exactly mentioned. I have been mentioning ever since this Tuesday video is that we can expect some sideways price action wherein because the market, this is something which the market and all the participants are seeing for the very first time, and this is not something which is a regular phenomenon or you see every other day, and market will take some time to react and maybe find a new structure altogether, and then we can proceed ahead with convincing trading. But again, today, like I had clearly mentioned, extremely sideways day, completely inside yesterday's trading range. So absolutely no trading for us. Out here as well, again, one trade that could have been taken was look at this particular fall, the pullback that came in, and had we gone up above this particular swing high, we could have entered into a trade on the long side. Now, in the live markets, I received a message from Siddesh asking if I had taken this particular double bottom trade out here. Absolutely not. The simple reason being one of the bigger retracements, the pullback or the swing high is right here, right? So what you are looking at will also define the kind of trading that you are doing. So for me, this is the double bottom that I am looking at, and not just this. So just because there is a underlying untouched swing which is there, we cannot take this particular move on the upside simply because this can be a retracement, a manipulative move, followed by a retracement till around these levels, the 0.5, 0.6, 0.8, 0.768 zones, and then the markets can also continue the move on the downside. It is only post this particular price action around here that we see that okay, we are actually in a extremely sideways price action, and simply put, no trading day. And that is the reason why I always tell you that pay very close attention to what is happening. Try to talk to the markets, try to understand what is happening and why is it happening. For tomorrow's session, we'll have the uh, yesterday's high marked, and for simplicity, we'll mark yesterday's low. Because this is a good sideways consolidation, I am only taking into account yesterday and today's price action, the range that I have marked, but then you also have the day before yesterday's range, which is there. No, we don't need this, right? So a good sideways actions in the long time. So yes, we can, of course, we can get a good trade, a good momentum based trade. So this is like a good volatility which has contracted. And then once the range opens up, we can expect some good price action. So that is the reason why we'll keep the plan of action very simple tomorrow. I will be going short below this, but then again for short entries, I will be doing it with lower quantities. And I will be very quick in booking my profit. So basically, perfect scalping, it has to be quick entries followed by quick exits. This is what we should look at while we are trading the trades on the downside. On the upper end, the right and perfect trade, a good trade where in which based on momentum can be taken above this. So if we open up with a gap up tomorrow and then we break out above this particular yesterday's high, and with a pullback, we can absolutely take a long trade. A long trade can also be taken. One second, guys. Yeah, so a long trade can also be taken above this particular zone, like I said, because of the. I'll also take a look at the price action on the complete sideways chart. So I will suggest to wait for either of these levels to be taken out, right? Because then you will get a good trade. If we open flattish, we are near the bottom end of the range. We can take a trade on the short side. If we are opening with a gap up, of course, we can take a trade. In case if we are opening near the highs and then consolidating, breaking out with a pullback, we can take a trade on the long side. Keep the trading to a bare minimum till the market find its new direction. So this will be the simple trade plan for tomorrow. So that's it for today's Nifty analysis and trade plan. Keep it simple, follow your levels, respect your risk, and let the market do the heavy lifting. If today's video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification so that you never miss our daily Nifty trade plans. I'll see you again in the next session. And remember, consistency beats intensity. One disciplined trade at a time builds real success. Cheers and thanks for tuning in, guys.